Here's how to install PojavLauncher on an Android phone or iPhone and sign in with a legitimate Minecraft Java Edition account to play Minecraft Java on a supported mobile device in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to install the launcher correctly and start playing with your Minecraft. First, download PojavLauncher on your device. If you're using Android, install it from Google Play or the official PojavLauncher download page. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, install the official IPA using a supported sideloading method since there isn't an App Store version. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the PojavLauncher icon on your screen. Open it to reach the launcher homepage with the Microsoft Login button. Next, tap the Microsoft Login button and sign in using the Microsoft account that owns Minecraft Java Edition. You'll see Microsoft's secure sign-in page, and after logging in successfully, your account profile will appear inside the launcher. Then choose the Minecraft version you want to play. You'll see a list of available releases, snapshots, and any installed versions. Select the version you want and tap play. During the first launch, the launcher will automatically download the required Minecraft game files, so give it a few moments to finish. After that, wait until Minecraft Java Edition loads completely. Once the main menu appears, you can create a new world or join an existing one. You'll see the familiar Minecraft Java interface along with touch controls designed for mobile devices. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Visit the official PojavLauncher documentation and download the latest development build from the project's GitHub Actions page. Install the APK on Android or the IPA on iPhone following the official instructions. Sign in again with your Microsoft account, and if you're using an iPhone, enable JIT through your supported sideloading method before launching the game. Now, if Microsoft sign-in fails, make sure your Microsoft account actually owns Minecraft Java Edition, then complete the login process again. Once everything is set, PojavLauncher will open successfully, your Microsoft account will be signed in, and Minecraft Java Edition will launch on your mobile device with touch controls ready to use. Following these simple steps makes installing PojavLauncher and playing Minecraft Java on mobile quick and easy.